when I was just diagnosed, um, the first thing that the the doctor said was, you might have to get some disability income because probably won't be able to continue working and like that. And at that time, I had worked full time for 42 years. So when you have to stop, and not like retirement where you say, okay, in 6 months I'm going to retire, or in a year I'm going to retire, and I look at my savings and I say, okay, fine, I'm prepared to retire. Nope. I was literally thrown out. And I say it that way because to say I became disabled isn't funny, isn't entertaining. It's a bad thing.